SHOT Show 2026 is about to drop the most explosive pistol lineup in recent history. From Glock's revolutionary 6th generation to game-changing micro-compacts and competition-ready 2011s, these 10 handguns are set to redefine the market. Whether you're a collector, competitor, or concealed carrier, missing these releases could mean waiting months to get your hands on them. Let's dive into the firearms that will dominate 2026. 10. CZ P10M Micro Compact Evolution, rumored. While not officially confirmed, industry rumors suggest CZ USA may unveil an updated P10M micro compact that holds 10 plus rounds. This would be CZ's answer to the Sig P365 and Springfield Hellcat, two of the most successful micro compact pistols ever produced. CZ has a fanatical following among shooting enthusiasts. Their pistols are known for exceptional ergonomics, reliability, and accuracy. A true micro compact from CZ with competitive capacity would immediately become a top contender in this crucial market segment. If CZ includes their typically excellent trigger and comes in at a competitive price point, this could be one of the year's biggest releases. The P10 line has been well received, and a micro-compact version fills an obvious gap in CZ's lineup. Many CZ fans have been carrying other brands simply because CZ didn't offer a comparable micro-compact option. That's about to change. If this rumor proves true, expect massive demand. CZ enthusiasts will pre-order immediately, and shooters looking for alternatives to the P365 and Hellcat will give this serious consideration. CZ's reputation for quality means people trust these guns for defensive use, and pent-up demand for a CZ micro compact is real. 9. Charter Arms Double Dog Revolver Cross-Caliber Innovation. Charter Arms has built their reputation on revolvers chambered in rimless cartridges like 45 ACP and 9mm. The Double Dog takes this. Further, with revolutionary cross-caliber compatibility through interchangeable cylinders. A patented no-moon clip design allows the same frame and barrel to shoot multiple calibers with a simple cylinder change. The first model, the Mag-Pug Combo, accommodates 357 Magnum 38 Special and 9mm. This is genuine versatility. One revolver, multiple calibers, no tools required beyond the cylinder swap. For shooters who reload or want caliber flexibility based on ammunition availability, this is game-changing. Revolvers often appeal to different demographics than semi-automatics, and the Double Dog brings genuine innovation to the wheelgun market. The ability to switch between 357 Magnum for serious defense and 9mm for affordable practice ammunition makes this an attractive option for budget-conscious shooters and those who value versatility. This will sell out among revolver enthusiasts who've been waiting for exactly this kind of innovation. Charter Arms products often have limited production runs, and the Double Dog's unique feature set will drive demand from both revolver traditionalists and semi-auto shooters curious about the platform. 8. Taurus GX2 Budget-Friendly Concealed Carry. Not everyone can or wants to spend $1,000 on a carry gun. Taurus recognizes this and is launching the GX2, a concealment-ready striker-fired 9mm with a 3.38-inch barrel, priced at just $309.99, $324.99. This is entry-level pricing for a defensive pistol, making it accessible to first-time gun buyers and those on tight budgets. Features include an ergonomic grip, Picatinny rail, adjustable sights compatible with aftermarket options, manual safety, and two 13-round magazines. 10 and 15-round magazines are also available, giving buyers flexibility. Note that the GX2 is not optics ready, which is a cost-saving measure to hit that aggressive price point. Why will this sell out? Affordability. Many people want a reliable defensive pistol but can't justify spending $500 to $1,000. The GX2 provides a legitimate option from an established manufacturer at a price point that opens gun ownership to more people. First-time buyers, those arming family members, or anyone needing an affordable backup gun will drive significant demand. Taurus has improved their quality control and reputation in recent years, and budget-friendly options like the GX2 help them capture market share from buyers who might otherwise choose lesser-known brands or used guns. 7. Stoeger Combat SX, the surprise contender. Stoeger isn't typically the first name that comes to mind for tactical pistols, but the Combat SX is positioned to change that perception. This 9mm striker-fired pistol is loaded with features that enthusiasts demand. 3 20-round magazines, 3 backstrap choices, a threaded 4.13-inch barrel, adjustable fiber optic front sight, ambidextrous slide lock, and an optics-ready slide. The trigger guard is roomy for gloved hands, and the entire package comes in an attractive dark bronze finish that's almost black. Perhaps most impressive, the price tag of $690 makes this an incredible value considering everything included. 20-round magazines out of the box is aggressive, and the threaded barrel means suppressor ready from day one. The Combat SX is clearly aimed at competitive shooters and tactical enthusiasts who want maximum capacity and versatility without spending over $1,000. This will sell out because Stoeger is leveraging the same strategy that made Canik successful: premium features at accessible prices. Competitive shooters always need more magazines and a threaded barrel, and getting 3 20-rounders with the gun is a significant value add. Expect strong initial demand from the competition crowd and tactical training communities. 6. Canik MC9L and MC9LS, high-capacity micro carry. Canik continues their impressive run with 2 new models, the MC9L and MC9LS. These pistols feature 3.18-inch and 3.64-inch barrels respectively. But the real story is capacity. Both new models offer 17+1 capacity, significantly more than the standard MC9's carry-ready configuration. Available in black or desert tan frame and slide colors, an incredibly competitive price point for high-capacity micro-compacts. Canik has built a reputation for delivering exceptional value, often offering features and quality that compete with guns costing 2 to 3 times more. The MC9L and LS address the biggest complaint about micro-compact pistols: limited capacity. Shooters no longer have to choose between concealability and firepower. These pistols offer serious ammunition capacity in a package that can be comfortably carried all day. Why will these sell out? Canik's value proposition is unbeatable. At under $500, these guns offer features and capacity that rival much more expensive options. Budget-conscious buyers and those who want a backup gun without compromising performance will flood dealers with orders. Canik has struggled to keep popular models in stock before, and the MC9L and LS will likely face similar demand. 5. Springfield Echelon 4.0C, compact versatility. Not everyone wants a compensated pistol or full-size frame. Springfield recognizes this and is launching the Echelon 4.0C, a compact version with a 4-inch barrel. This is the Goldilocks gun, not too big, not too small, just right for concealed carry while maintaining shootability. The 4.0C maintains the 15+1 capacity of its larger siblings and shares the same serialized internals and optic mount dimensions across the Echelon line. This modularity means parts and accessories are interchangeable. The compact model features 3-dot tritium sights, and a threaded barrel option is available for those who want suppressor compatibility. Springfield has priced this competitively at $719 to $739, making it accessible to a wide range of buyers. The compact pistol market is incredibly competitive, with Sig's P365 and Glock's 43X dominating sales. But Springfield's Echelon line offers features those guns don't, particularly the central operating group and superior optics mounting system. Expect strong demand from concealed carriers who want modern features in a proven platform. Springfield's reputation for quality and customer service means people trust these guns for defensive use, and the 4.0C hits the sweet spot for size and capacity. 4. Springfield Echelon 4.5F comps, compensated performance. Springfield Armory has added an integrally compensated addition to their Echelon Striker pistol line, and it's generating serious buzz. The Echelon 4.5F comp features a 4.5-inch barrel with both the barrel and slide incorporating sizable ports for flat shooting performance with reduced felt recoil. The compensated model retains all the standout Echelon features: multi-brand direct mount optic compatibility, Springfield's unique central operating group, and a 15+1 capacity with 2 magazines included. 10 and 17 round magazine options are also available for those who need higher capacity or state compliant versions. What sets this apart from other compensated pistols? The integration is factory level, meaning reliability is guaranteed under warranty. Many aftermarket compensators can cause reliability issues, but Springfield has engineered this system from the ground up. The Echelon line has already proven popular, and adding a compensated model addresses the competition and tactical markets perfectly. This will sell out because compensated pistols are trending hard right now. Shooters want flatter shooting guns for faster follow-up shots, and the Echelon 4.5F comp delivers that in a reliable, warranted package. Competition shooters will love it, and everyday carriers who can handle the slightly longer slide will appreciate the recoil reduction. 3. Zaffiri Precision Complete Pistols. 3. Game changers. For the first time in company history, Zaffiri Precision is launching 3 complete pistols at SHOT Show 2026. Known for their high-quality aftermarket slides, barrels, and components for Glock and Sig Sauer platforms, Zaffiri is shifting from custom parts to complete firearms. The company is introducing pre-configured complete uppers organized into 5 tiers: Zulu, Echo, X-Ray, Vector, and IBS. Each tier offers both a standard model and a premium elite variant. The elite models include upgraded components like tritium suppressor height night sights, stainless steel guide rods, billet extractors, and steel back plates for enhanced durability and reliability. These aren't just assembled parts. These are rigorously tested, complete firearms designed for serious use. Zaffiri has built a reputation for precision engineering and quality, and their first complete pistols will be extensively tested before release. The brand loyalty among Glock and Sig enthusiasts is strong. 2. Sig Sauer P211 GTO, the ultimate competition. 2011 Sig Sauer is entering the premium 2011 market with absolute authority. The P211 GTO is a full-size steel frame powerhouse featuring a 4.4-inch barrel and an incredible factory 3D printed compensator dubbed the Max 3D Comp. This isn't just marketing speak. This is advanced manufacturing technology applied to competition shooting. The specifications are impressive. 17-round capacity, optics ready slide with Sig's Romeo ready footprint, ambidextrous safety, tuned single action trigger, and a flared magwell. The fit and finish rivals custom shops like Staccato, but this comes from Sig's production line, meaning better availability and competitive pricing. Why will this sell out? The 2011 market is exploding right now. Competitive shooters want the 1911 feel with double stack capacity, and the P211 GTO delivers exactly that with the added benefit of Sig's manufacturing precision and warranty support. Custom 2011s often cost upwards of $4,000 to $5,000. If Sig prices this competitively while maintaining quality, they'll struggle to keep up with demand. Competition shooters, collectors, and tactical enthusiasts will all be chasing this one. 1. Glock Generation 6. The evolution continues. After years of anticipation, Glock is officially launching their 6th generation pistols at SHOT Show 2026, perfectly timed with the company's 40th anniversary in the United States. This isn't just an incremental update, it's a complete reimagining of the platform that defined modern striker-fired handguns. While Glock has kept specific details under wraps, industry insiders suggest we'll see improved ergonomics, enhanced modularity, and possibly integrated optics mounting systems that surpass the current MOS standard. The Gen 6 is expected to address every criticism leveled at previous generations while maintaining the legendary reliability that made Glock a household name. What makes this a guaranteed sellout? Glock's track record. Every generation launch has created massive demand, and with the company's anniversary celebration, expect limited initial production runs. Collectors will want multiple models, law enforcement agencies will be placing bulk orders, and civilian buyers won't want to be left behind. If you want a Gen 6 Glock in 2026, you'll need to act fast or face waiting lists that could stretch for months. For the first time in company history, Zaffiri Precision is launching 3 complete pistols at SHOT Show 2026. SHOT Show 2026 represents one of the most exciting pistol lineups in recent years. From Glock's generational leap to value-packed offerings from Canik and Taurus, there's something for every type of shooter. Whether you're a competition shooter, concealed carrier, collector, or tactical enthusiast, at least one of these pistols probably speaks to your needs. The key is acting decisively. These aren't ordinary releases. These are the pistols that will define shooting trends for 2026 and beyond. Missing out means watching others enjoy innovations you'll have to wait months to experience. Stay informed, build relationships with good dealers, and be ready to make your move when SHOT Show opens those doors in Las Vegas. The shooting world is watching, and these 10 pistols are ready to make history. That's the complete rundown of the 10 pistols set to dominate SHOT Show 2026. From Glock's Gen 6 revolution to budget-friendly options that don't compromise on features, this year's lineup offers something for everyone. Remember, acting fast is crucial for securing these hot releases. Which pistol are you most excited about? Drop a comment below, hit that like button, and subscribe for more firearm news and reviews. Stay armed, stay informed, and I'll see you at the range.